Right. What are some advice that you would give to someone who is coming to Japan? Maybe for the first time. What should they do?
Please come to Japan.
Okay, yes, please come to Japan. Hello, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan my Irie fam. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying Irie. Thank you for supporting the One Big Irie family movement. If you are not yet a part of this family, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and that little bell right there so you do not miss any of my videos. And I just want to tell you all that you are great, you are loved, and you are special. Now, in this video, I will be talking about some things that I wish I knew before coming to Japan. Some of these things I read about and I watched YouTube videos, but sometimes you don't know until you know. So number one, the weather conditions are extreme here in Japan. The winters are long and they seem very long because they're very cold, and the summers are very, very hot. The most comfortable season, I would say, is fall, where the leaves change. It's quite beautiful, bright red, bright yellow, and it's not too hot, not too cold. Number two, try to learn how to use a chopsticks. They are not the easiest things to use, especially because we are mostly used to using knife and fork in the West. So you can do some practice before you get here, because at some point you'll need to use them. Number three, you don't need to learn Japanese altogether, but try to learn a few phrases and useful terms that will help you through your everyday life. Trust me, especially at work. Number four, familiarize yourself with a little bit of the culture, what's considered to be rude and what's considered to be of good etiquette. And, they'll excuse you because you're a foreigner, but you want to be like, a good foreigner. Who likes their culture being disrespected, right? And number five, adequately prepare yourself for living, or if you're staying just for a short term, but make sure that you have everything that you'd like for your comfort. For me, I wish I had more souvenirs because I'm meeting more people that I like, and I would like to give them a piece of my culture. Coffee is a good thing, but I'll do another video on that. Okay, let's get into the little small interview. White socks.
Yeah. The winter is very cold. When you come to Japan in winter, very cold.
It's very cold, yes.
So take warm goods.
I see. But we can buy these things in Japan, right?
What should I buy? You should buy socks, hot socks, and hot
Gloves. Yeah.
and muffler. Neck warmer.
Right. So how about learning about Japanese culture? What's some of the
in hashi, do you know hashi? Hashi.
Is it the chopsticks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So try to learn to use that.
Try to use hashi.
Hashi. Learn to
It's
use.
so difficult.
Yes, especially for persons like me who uses fork all the time, fork or spoon. I only used hashi, the chopsticks, when I came to Japan, and it was so difficult. Yeah.
In Japan, so short foods take hashi, hashi, and eat is very difficult.
Yeah. Oh yes, more like beans. my sweet corn's always slip. Oh, I can't. Yeah. So try to learn to use the chopsticks and the language. Learn a few.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. That's good morning.
Arigato.
Yes, very important. Thank you.
And the first time, hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite. When you meet someone for the first time.
In English, my name is. In Japanese, watashi wa. Your name? This.
Very formal.
Yeah.
Hi. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.
That's right.
Yoroshiku. Yeah. So learn some basic terms that will take you through daily life in business, and maybe how to order food. Yeah, need to learn that. Wow. So what are some of the things that are rude in Japan?
Rude in Japan?
Like in Jamaica, pointing at someone is rude. How about, I think in Asian countries it's rude to point at someone like this.
Don't point.
Don't point.
Fingers.
Extend. Oh.
Please sit down. Achira ga? That is achira.
Extend the four fingers. Don't point. And how about like some things that Japanese people think are rude?
Rude?
Yes.
For example?
When you enter a room.
Yeah.
When you enter a room, like in the Western world, we knock. Oh, please come in. Okay, good morning or good afternoon. But in Japan,
in Japan, some people do knocks, but that is and 3 is very good.
Oh, not 2.
3.
1, 2, 3.
3 knocks.
Not 2 knocks.
But some people need 2 knocks. And
okay, so when you go inside, what should you say or do?
失礼します。
失礼します。
3 knocks and 失礼します。
And when you're leaving,
失礼しました。
Okay, 失礼しました。And I see the students like they don't turn their backs. They leave facing forward. Don't turn the back. Wow. Okay, so learn basic expressions, especially informal settings. Learn to use a chopstick. Learn that Japanese winter is very cold. How about summer? Summer is very hot.
Summer is very hot, and so big drink bottle is good.
So you need to get a big bottle and learn. Even if you are not used to carrying around a water bottle, you need that in the summer.
Yeah.
Oh.
And hat and umbrella.
Sunscreen.
Yeah, sunscreen.
Yes. Those are some of the things I wish I knew before I came. Like practicing using the chopsticks. Is it expensive to live in Japan? Would you say it's expensive?
Japanese is major omotenashi.
Omotenashi.
Yeah. Coming and so many people like Japan. Japanese people is very spirits is omotenashi.
Omotenashi.
Yeah.
Kind and friendly.
Yeah.
And respectful. Omotenashi. Okay, thank you.